Alright, I just got the bonus on the machine next to it. I'm betting $12.50 a spin. And I don't see where it says how many more spins I have left. Oh, it says at the top. Look at all those wilds. Wild me crazy. So the wild stay, I still have 5 games left. And I'm playing at 5 cents. So far that's 80, 90, 92.50. More wilds, 28.75 times 5, whatever that is. I think this could be a huge win. Still got 4 spins left. Can you imagine if the entire screen got wilds? So that one win was $143. So there's $36.75 win on this one. So it's basically every spin I'm winning $150 or more now, and I still got 3 spins left. And no, I'm not going to push the button. Alright. Actually, so now every spin, that's 183, so everything should be 183 or more. 27, I'll push it. 136. Come on, 2 more wilds. There you go, look at all that. So 74.50 times 5. So almost $500 on that one spin. Maybe, I don't know what the math is. Come on, one more spin. I want to see a shit ton of wilds. Okay, this is going to take forever for it to get to 74.50. So here goes the button. 372. My math was a little bit off. Oh, more wilds. I think this is a 10.99. Push button. 23, whatever. And you know how long it would take to wait for it to go through all those? I need to get to 23,275 nickels. $1,163.75. No paperwork. Ooh yeah.